I possess the knowledge on how to cure your sniffles or your common cold. But first, let's go back a month ago when I had another incident of a sniffles. It's just coincidence that I'm having sniffles right now and I'm making a video about sniffles and yeah. Okay, this is the part where you rewind. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather now. I got the sniffles since last night and I don't feel too good considering it was my birthday yesterday. Yeah. First, I'm gonna clean up everything here. Alright, I'm bringing you guys to where I'm sleeping tonight. I'm actually gonna sleep here. There's the bed, and my wife and little Caddy is there, and this is Kiki's room. I'm just lowering my voice because all of them are asleep now and it's already 1 a.m. Just gonna check a couple of emails on my laptop before I go to bed, which is that bed. Yeah. Oh yeah. And the reason why I'm sleeping here because I'm currently isolating myself because of this sniffles. I don't want to infect the other guys. I think I slept only 4 hours today. I wanted to sleep more, but I don't think I could go back to sleep. But I do want to go on a run. Okay, I'm going for a run. Bono is so excited, but I can't bring him with me because his leash is all torn up, so sorry, buddy. This street is around 300 to 500 meters away from home. So much busy already. It's a huge difference on my usual runs. That's why I love to go out much earlier than this. You know, just to avoid smoke coming from the cars or vehicles, and it's a lot more peaceful, more conducive for running. So much different from 6 a.m. runs, but I gotta do this. Just looking for something to buy for Gigi's breakfast, and I know it's somewhere here. So my GoPro ran out of juice already. but I was able to find food. I bought all of these for around 120 pesos. So that's around $2 plus. We already have breakfast. One of the things that I also do when I get sick, when I have some sniffles or a fever, is I drink Berocca. It's a multivitamin minerals. So yeah. This has 10 tablets in it. And this started to become popular when during the start of the pandemic. And I really found this to be effective. So there must be a grain of truth in Berocca. Although there's no therapeutical claims, but yeah, a lot of people swear by this one. Alright, so I just bought apples earlier today, but I'm not gonna eat them yet because I'm gonna shoot now since they're still light. I'll be going for a run in a bit. The reason why I'm making this video is I want to share something to you guys. It's something that I think that people might find helpful. Now, a couple of days back, I did have some sniffles, or the common cold, and I think it's just the right time to share something that I discovered in my adult life. And it's something regarding how I recover when I have the sniffles, and even to the extent if I have slight fever. What I usually do is I do the usual ingredients that is required to heal for having sniffles. That's the usual drinking of your vitamins and your minerals, or any type of medicines. You've seen me a while ago drinking Berocca, and this is one of them, but you could drink something else. Also, you eat your fruits, your vegetables, and most importantly, sleep adequately, because I think I got down with the sniffles because I lack sleep. Okay, now, so besides the ones that I just mentioned a while ago, one of the craziest discovery that I had now that I have come to this age as an adult is there's one factor that I discovered to help me recover from my sniffles, and I think you guys might have guessed it right, or it's probably in the title already, and that is running. Running plays a huge part in my recovery. I noticed that when I run, it flushes my sinuses. Now that helps me get rid of my clogged nose, and because of that, I feel much better after I do my runs. In connection to that, it accelerates my recovery, and I have a theory behind that, I think. And this is just a theory, because running gives off a lot of body heat that aids my body's natural healing process, because sometimes the body goes into a fever to fight off these viruses or bacteria, and running just helps in that, because running, as you all know, gives off body heat. That's just a theory though, so to all the medical practitioners who are watching this video, do correct me if that is an erroneous assumption. All that being said, I still use my common sense. That is, if I'm having a fever, I think I'm much better off resting or staying in bed. But if I feel like my body can manage it, then yeah, that's when I go for a run. Okay, it's 5:14 now. I'm gonna go for a quick run before I run out of light. Just gonna do a quick probably a 1 hour run. Right. Alright, so I just finished my run. It was around 5 kilometers of an activity, but there was 3 kilometers in there of straight running. Coming back to my point from earlier today, running is no substitution for the basic ingredients of curing your common cold or sniffles. You still need to do the basics like drink your meds, drink your vitamins and minerals, eat your fruits and vegetables like an apple, and get enough sleep. And on top of all of that, you could then supplement that with running. I'm just wondering though that if this is not exclusive to running, I'm wondering if there are cyclists or swimmers out there that has the same or similar experience to what I have with running. So yeah, now circling back to running, it's easy one of the most favorite part of my recovery because I already love running. Let's go get the guys.
Bago nung kabot sa parking lot.
Sige, gisuko na siya.
Asa na? Gunsa naman mo?
Wala, nagulat na lang sa ko. Sige, bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye.
Alright, that is it for this video. Hope you guys are all well and healthy, and if you're not, faster healing to you, my friend. I hope I was able to impart some knowledge and wisdom to you guys. Other than that, you guys stay safe, have a great day, and I hope I see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.
I'm still gonna finish my apple. You hear that? Some ASMR for you. Oh.